You're at Father Fish. Nice to have you with us.
What can I do about cyanobacteria? Generally speaking, cyanobacteria is a naturally occurring monoculture that will break down as the tank ages. Typically, it occurs in a new tank, although I've got some going in a very old tank. Um, ah, Cassie B's pushing a chemical here. We should hold it up again there.
Hey, it works for me, Father Fish.
Blue-green slime. Yeah, it's a good product. It does get rid of it. I've used it. It might come back. It doesn't solve the. It gets rid of it. It doesn't solve the problem of what created it. Usually, it's a function of high nitrates and a lot of organics. If you reduce your nitrates, and that is to say, reduce your feeding, do water changes, try to get the nutrition level in the water column down, it will begin to dissipate. You can then manually remove it or use the product that Cassie is showing. It's a good product. That's where
I didn't have enough sand cap, so
right.
I think every time I haven't had enough sand.
Yeah, keep in mind whenever you use a product like that, that you're getting rid of. You're merely controlling the symptom. You're not solving the problem. The problem is not the cyano. The problem is, why is the cyano there in this, or cyano? That the cyanobacteria is there because there's excessive nutrition in the water column. And there are 3 or 4 or 5 different ways to get at that. Reducing feeding, physically removing it, which is same as medically treating it. That's not solving the problem, though. Let me go back to the beginning again. Reducing feeding, doing water changes. You want to physically remove it as much as possible. In conjunction with the other two, it's going to reduce its incidence. And I can't remember the other two. I had a list of 5 at one point. Adding sand. That's the one that Cassie just mentioned. Add an inch of sand. Add an inch of sand.
Make sure you have 2 inches of a cap everywhere.
Well, you can go to 3.
And I was getting it in the front.
Right. There are various problems of that ilk that are caused by a sand cap that's too shallow. So simply add a little sand, and that'll solve a lot of problems.
Well, I hope you found something you've never seen before. Have a great day. Nice having you with us. Come on back.